Pornography. A'udhu billahi min dhalik. May Allah protect you and I from it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect your eyes and your heart from the injury that is inflicted on it by seeing that which is haram. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered us as men before women are to don their veil, يَغُضُّ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِمْ, to lower our gaze from the mafatin and the mahasin, the beautifications and the things that are attractive to our animalistic carnal nature. You and I, we do have a desire to see things that are exciting and intense for a man and for a woman to observe. It's not just a man's thing, it's mostly men, but it's also something that is now growing amongst women. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you from seeing the fahisha, seeing the open sinning of people in that regard. Why is pornography so dangerous? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, Al-aynani yazniyan. The two eyes are the first place where zina, sinful, sexual, immoral actions begin. وَزِنَاهُمَ النَّظَرُ. Their zina is to look at the haram. The Prophet ﷺ said, النَّظْرَ سَهْمٌ مَسْمُومٌ مِنْ سِهَامِ إِبْلِيسِ. That the wayward look to that which is haram, to that which we do not have a right to see of beauty of another woman or of another man, to look at something in that way with a lustful glance is like a poisoned arrow from the arrows of Iblis that penetrates the heart. See, the eyes are windows to your soul. The Prophet ﷺ tells us in another hadith that may not seem related, but very much is, that when a person passes away, we should hurry to close their eyes as soon as their soul has left the body. And the Prophet ﷺ said, فَإِنَّ الرُّوحَ تَتَتَبَّعُ النَّظَرَ. Because the soul, although it's left and the person is now dead, if the eyes remain open, the soul that is disconnected from the body can continue to see through those eyes. That shows you that the soul is the last connection with the eyes and is the first connection with the eyes. So if you are using your eyes to watch what is haram, you are bringing injury to your soul. More importantly as well, science has come to say that the brain chemistry of an individual changes, that there is an actual change to the brain and its tissue, to the chemicals that are released and to the dopamine that is flooding the brain at a time of watching those disgusting videos. They are things that are now very difficult to avoid unless we take our precautions. And I want you to know that it is important for you to protect your soul, protect your heart, protect your honor. Don't be a person who forwards it to others. Don't be a person who other people feel comfortable sending it to you, because as you get older, people will know this about you. And when you come and inshallah you seek a healthy marriage and a good prospective wife or a good prospective husband, when people hear, and people will hear, oh no, this guy, he's the one who shares that stuff. And people will talk about you. I don't think he's the right person for you. Why? Because look at the stuff that he watches. Look at the stuff he sent. Look at the things he did. Look at the things she said. Be very careful with your reputation and your honor. Pornography is a transgression against humanity, against the very essence and fabric of our soul. It is meant to be something that is a criminal behavior between us and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And there are countries who have criminalized pornography. I don't mean just Muslim countries. Iceland, for example, has taken the import of criminalizing all pornographic images and actions and videos because they know through the science and the study that it is something that is destructive to the moral fabric of society. Nothing is more disgusting than for a wife to discover a little bit after marriage that her husband is addicted to pornography, that this is something that is viewed by them. It also changes the way you will appreciate the true happiness you should find in your home with your spouse. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Ask yourself this question. Would you want people to watch, someone in your family do that? Would you want that to be a part of your lifestyle? And the answer, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you, is no. Protect your heart, protect your soul. Pornography is an immorality, not just because I say so, but because it is scientifically proven, it's immoral in our religion, and it is something that is sinful behavior. May Allah purify our eyes and hearts and our behaviors from it. Allahumma ameen.